Hi friends, once again you're most welcome in our YouTube channel nrresearch centre. So in this video we are going to talk about the new upcoming mobile phone HMD Pulse Plus के about में. I mean this mobile phone has a new upcoming phone. Right now in this market this mobile phone is not available. So friends, let's talk about the HMD Pulse Plus. Friends, if you firstly visit our channel, then please friends subscribe our channel, and if you like our video, then you friends like and also comment and leave a comment for any query for about the any mobile phone and also another mobile phone, and also any query you can comment in the comment box. So friends, let's talk about the HMD Pulse Plus. If you talk about the both mobile phone like HMD Pulse and also HMD Pulse Plus, in this both mobile phone only changing like RAM internal and also camera, not and everything is like same. So friends, if you talk about the thickness of this mobile phone, then you can got 8.45 mm and also 187 grams of this mobile phone has weight, and also IP52 about the IP rating. And also if you're talking about the display quality of this mobile phone, then you can got 6.65 inch IPS LCD display, and also resolution of this mobile phone 720 and 1600 12 pixel HD plus में this mobile phone has display like something. And if you talk about the refresh rate of this mobile phone, then you can got 90 Hz about the refresh rate of this HMD Pulse Plus. And also this mobile phone has color like three color: apricot crisp, and also midnight blue, and also glacier green. That's I mean three colors of this mobile phone. And if you talk about the pixel density of this mobile phone, then you can got 265 pixel per inch. And also Android version 14 has been working in this mobile phone. And also if you talk about the processor of this mobile phone, then you can got Unisys 606 about the processor, and also 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal of this mobile phone. And if you talk about the front camera of this mobile phone, then you can got 32 megapixel, and also back camera of this rear camera of this mobile phone, then you can got 50 megapixel. And if you talk about the battery capacity of this mobile phone, then you can got in this mobile phone has 5000 mAh battery capacity, and Wi-Fi version 5 and also BT version like 5. And if you talk about the price range of this mobile phone, then you can got 14,240 in Indian rupees. This is the expected price, not official price of this mobile phone. And also the expected launching date 3 July in 2024, and both price and also release date both are expected. So friends, this is not official data of this mobile phone. So friends, I hope this specification is like you feel very good about this specifications, friends. So friends, if you really like our video, then please friends subscribe our channel and also leave a comment for any query. And also if you want to do and you want to get any other video about the any other phone, then you can also comment me in the comment box. And also if you have any other query, then you can also comment in the comment box. So friends, I hope you are very well right now. So friends, bye bye, see you, take care friends.